G'day educators, parents, anyone interested in STEM sciences. I'm Asher at Life Rocks, and I am super proud to announce our soil education kit, the most comprehensive soil teaching resource available. We can help teachers out there make science fun, engaging, memorable, easy to teach, and curriculum aligned for years kindergarten through to year 6 and beyond. Today, let's dive in. Most importantly, we have the Soil Teaching Handbook. This is your one-stop shop for delivering anything to do with soil science. It has all of the lesson outlines, all of the information you'll need on the organisms, and it's all easy to find through these tabs. The second tab takes you straight to the lesson outlines, where from kindergarten through to year 6, we've linked the Australian curriculum up to everything involved in this kit. We go into the basics of soils. This makes it easy for teachers with no science background to jump into soils and start to understand it at its most basic starting point. Not only that, but every organism here relates to key organisms that are on the soil teaching map, which is a discovery and learning map for students to be able to see the key relationships between the organisms that exist in the soil, how they relate to each other, and how they create the soil ecosystem. We also have multiple presentations on the agricultural uses of soil, the cultural uses of soil, the scientific uses of soil. We have the Soil Big Book, lively and animated rhyming journey of the organisms as they establish themselves throughout Earth's history to build up into the soil ecosystems that we know today. All of the information is scientifically accurate, including the illustrations, and each organism in this book is reflected in the Teaching Handbook as it is reflected on the teaching mat, as it is reflected on the cards. This book also contains color-ins which can be photocopied, and it contains scientific information about the organisms themselves in a digestible format that's easy to reach for the children using the book. The kit comes with beans, ready to do our bean growing experiments. There's an activity where students can make soil organisms out of clay. The digital microscope here is actually a camera microscope. Students can go around the yard and capture things that they find, take photos. They can showcase their photos to the rest of the class. We have some fun stickers that encourage sustainability, engagement with the soil, and engagement with the organisms. And this is just another fun way to create engagement through the soil kit. And here you can find our digital resources and important links on this flyer that comes with your kit. It comes in this awesome, sturdy tote bag. So my friends, that is the soil education kit. There is hundreds of hours of content here. And if you love soils, you'll love this resource. Life rocks.